Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious tandoori chili chicken. It's very easy, great appetizer. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Let's get started with the tandoori chili chicken. It's very easy to make. 1 pound of chicken breast that I've cut into cube size or bite-sized pieces. You can also use chicken thighs. Salt to taste. Have 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. You can also use black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon tandoori masala. Now here I have 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon soya sauce, or you can also use turmeric. Go ahead and mix them well until it's well incorporated. Now we are going to also marinate this overnight or at least 3 hours so that all the flavors get infused in the chicken. Now once you marinate them, you want to remove at least half an hour before you fry the chicken so it does not get tough. Now here I am adding 1 tablespoon corn flour, 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon tandoori masala again. Go ahead and mix them well. You add this masalas only before you start frying them. So after 30 minutes, if your masala is like really too dry, then add just half a teaspoon of water to just combine them well. Now here I have oil that is nice and hot, medium-high heat. I'm going to fry the chicken until it's nice and crispy. Now you want to make sure you fry them on medium-high heat because high heat the chicken will not cook through but it will burn. So just make sure your chicken is cooked through on medium-high heat. Once that is done, set it aside. In another kadai, I have 1 tablespoon oil. To this I'm adding 2 cloves of garlic thinly sliced and half an inch of ginger thinly sliced as well. Saute for a minute until it gives nice aroma. After that, I'm going to add colored peppers. Here I have almost around 1 cup of vegetables, onions, red pepper, yellow pepper and green pepper. Just diced or sliced in a small bite-sized pieces again, and the onion or florets. Cook them on a medium heat for a couple seconds, and to this I'm adding salt and again 1 teaspoon tandoori masala. Go ahead and mix them well. Now you want to cook this for 30 seconds before we add anything else. 1 tablespoon ketchup. I'm adding ketchup. If you don't have ketchup, you can add tomato sauce or tomato paste would work as well. Add the chicken and mix well to coat. To this I'm going to add 4 to 5 green chilies that is sliced, or you can add them whole. It's up to you depending on the spice level. And then it's done. Serve it hot. It's a great appetizer, great side dish. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.